What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and guess what? I'm back here at Fisher Tools. There's an old saying that I like to live by, and the saying goes, be invited but know when to go. Jeff reached out to me here on YouTube and said he had a special gift for me, and hint, hint, I'm hoping it's something Milwaukee. However, I take what I can get, you know? So here we go, walking in to meet Jeff and the crew.
Nice to meet you.
Handy Danny. Chris, nice to meet you. I'm Danny. How you doing? Getting the right tool. How's it going? I'm Daniel with Handy Danny from YouTube.
Hi, Lori.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Handy Danny from YouTube.
New stickers.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
What's going on?
What, you the guy that helped me last time then? All right. I already knew you.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got Handy Danny on it too.
I know, right? Look at that.
That makes it even more awesome, man. Look at that right there.
Yeah.
Handy Danny. Look at that. I was just saying right before I walked in, I said, I hope it says Milwaukee, whatever the gift is. and you nailed it, bro. Look at that. The Milwaukee hat. I've been thinking about getting that right there. And I was actually, oh, take that back. No, but there's a DeWalt. There's a DeWalt right there. A cup. A thermos, and actually the Milwaukee thermos that they make, I have it, and it doesn't fit in my car. It doesn't fit in the cup holder, so I'm thinking this will fit. So I will definitely use that. What is this guy?
Got all kinds of little knives in there.
Oh, nice, nice. I just did a video on sharpening the knife with my grinder, and I think I pissed off YouTube. You know, everybody's commenting like, that's not safe.
Yeah, that's dangerous, right?
I know, right. And then I got a little bit of literature here about
us,
about Fisher Tools, which is awesome, man.
60 years.
Wow.
It's seen a small part of what we do.
Oh man, I want to get in the back. I want to get it all. I want to do it all. I'm gonna leave this up here. Okay.
All right, guys. All right, well, you got it right here. So main entrance, as you know.
If a guy has, like for instance, I understand Milwaukee has a 5-year warranty on all their tools, right? And I love that. But I have like the big giant steel, you might have seen it on the video, but I have the big giant steel 40-inch cart, 2-drawer, and shipping that thing back to Milwaukee, I'm thinking in my head, they're not going to say, ship it back to us, we'll send you a label, and we'll repair it and get it back. They may send me over here to Fisher Tools, right? So it's almost like knowing where to go
Quick.
before you know where to go.
The one-stop shop.
The one-stop shop, you know what I'm saying?
But we'll get you, get you on an account, get you a list of approved sellers or purchasers on that.
Right.
They come in, we send you a PO, get you going.
Right.
So it's a real easy one-shot, get you done in and out. So
Awesome.
Our mission is to get you in and out of here efficiently.
Yeah, and as much as, the job is hard and dealing with the GCs are hard, you don't want a hardship when it comes to
No, that's right.
getting the right tool,
Correct.
making sure it's the right tool, the person selling it to you, and not the dog Home Depot. I love Home Depot.
Right.
But when you go to Home Depot, you're dealing with people that don't necessarily use these tools or
Correct.
don't know much about these tools. And you've been in the business how long?
Well, they've been here 60 years.
Well, Fisher Tools been here 60 years. How long have you been
I've
here?
been doing it 2.5 here.
2.5 here. That's where it's really important to a guy that understands concrete, even though he doesn't work with concrete every day. A guy that understands doors, because the last time I was here, I was asking you about a bit holder. And you didn't necessarily understand why I needed the bit holder and who I was. However, I do remember you went behind the counter and you said, okay, here's a 4-inch bit holder. Would that work
What's
for
your
you?
application? And so my job is to connect with you to say, this is what you're looking for. Boom, we got it.
There we go.
So there's a lot of different terminology for things out there, and how are you applying this, and then we work through that. So we do have our online purchases that you can do as well.
Yep.
So they can get you if you're out of state. Guys can order stuff up and ship them off to them.
Okay.
Get them going that way.
Yeah.
Real efficient feedback here.
Yeah. What's the furthest place you say you've shipped something to? Like,
It's gone to the East Coast. I don't think we go international.
okay, not international. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to
I
know.
haven't seen anything. They're never too late to start, though.
But it's almost like Fisher Tools here in Tempe, Arizona, right? And here's a guy all the way in New York City that has to get it from Fisher Tools. That means something,
Yeah, we carry dyes over here for the Bernie Crimpers, it's hard to find. A lot of guys will call up from the East Coast when they get them.
Yeah.
More Milwaukee, DeWalt.
Yeah, I love it.
We do all of our testing in here. For,
Okay.
the high-end electrical users, the SRPs, the municipalities.
Nice.
So we just did a test up here at 40,000 volts.
Wow.
So they do that, certify them here, we sell them.
Keeping guys safe.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
And again, that's peace of mind when they come in.
Yeah.
They know that we're selling them stuff that's going to keep them alive.
That's the real deal. So they're testing them here. So do you are you creating the glove here or like?
No, we purchase them, but we test everything that goes out of here, even if they're brand new.
Okay.
They get tested, so everything is going to be safe when it leaves here. So these guys are
Absolutely.
So there's a value in that as well, as far
Yeah.
as them knowing that they're getting a product that's
Yeah.
going to be out of the box and safe to use.
You probably get a lot of DeWalt broken tools, don't you?
Yeah.
More than the Milwaukee?
A little.
There we go. You heard it from Jessica first, okay?
Yeah. Pretty much your tour right there is a quick one, but
Yeah.
and then all the tools that are ready for pickup are all in here. So you see your vendors and all your
Yeah.
you'll see a lot of red in here getting returned.
Yeah, there you go. Look, it speaks for itself right there. There's the proof of the pudding right
There
there.
you go.
Nothing but broken DeWalt tools. However, now you know where to go get it repaired, okay? You know, so here we go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your videos on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
You do a good job, man.
Like this guy's crazy, you know, like
I like the production, man. That's really nice. When we saw our video, we were like, oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Or awesome, man. Look at that right there.
Yeah.
Handy dandy.